Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to create and insert forms, surveys and quizzes in a PowerPoint presentation. So please stay tuned. Alright, let's open a blank presentation, and then when you go to the insert menu, you will see this option of forms. This is from Microsoft, so this is called Microsoft Forms. You can also access Microsoft Forms separately on the Microsoft website, but PowerPoint also has an option to insert forms directly into your slides. So let's start. Let's click on the forms option, and you can see a section which opens up here. So I've already created a few forms and quizzes, so you see the existing ones already here. You can just click on insert to insert it here in the presentation. So let's create a form first, and then we will see how to insert it in the presentation as well. Okay, so as I said, you have an option to create a new form. You have an option to create a new quiz. So you can also create surveys also. So let's go ahead and create a new form first. So click on new form. So once you click on this option, it will take you to the Microsoft website, the forms.office.com. So now if you see, it opened it in your browser, and it is asking you to insert a new question. So it also has the name of the form. So once you click on it once, you can change the name of the form. So let's make it PowerPoint Glamour. Okay, so this is a form. We have entered the name. Just click out of it. It will give you the name of the form. Then here, once you click on add new, you can actually insert a new question. So you can add a new question. Just click on add new, and once you click on add new, it gives you the following options. It gives you the option of choice, in which you can create a multiple choice question. It gives you an option to create a text box, a blank text box. It gives you an option to create a question which will have a rating option. Okay, and it will also give you an option to create a date format question. And it also has a ranking one. It also has the like art. It also has the other option. You can also insert a file. If you have a file already with the preset questions, you can just upload the file and then take the questions from there. It also has the option of Net Promoter Score, which is the NPS score. And then this is for creating different sections. Okay, let's start with choosing the choice option. Just click on choice. Okay, so if you see this question opened up, you can type in any new question. Let's say, what is the application used to make presentations? So the first option, let's make it Excel. Second one, let's make it PowerPoint. Okay, so there are two options. So you can add another option if you want, or you can just say add other option. It will add the option with the name other. If you don't like it, just delete it from here. If you want, you can click on the add option. It'll add one more option. We'll say none of the above, and you can also go ahead and add the other option if you want. So let's have only three options in this. Okay, and you also have an option to select multiple answers. For example, if the question has more than one correct answer, you can select this one. Okay, and then if you want the user to input the answer and do not skip this one, you can select required. So that means this is a mandatory question. Okay, so first question is done. Let's go add new and add another text box question. So let's say name, and you want to leave it open for the user to input the name. Okay, then say name. Then so other feature of forms is it gives you the ideas, because I've just entered the name option. It thinks that I am going to make a form for the user with these fields. So let's use it. Just select organization, email address and phone number. Click on add selected. So all these questions are added. So the form is now created. Okay, so this form is created. Then let's click on share. So we have 4 options. For 1 question, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are created in a form, which is called PowerPoint Glamour. So let's click on share. So let's see what happens when you click on share. So when you click on share, it gives you the options of sharing this particular form which you have created. So this drop down tells you who you can share with. If you copy the link and share it, anyone with the link can respond, or only people in your organization, in your company can respond with your company's domain email ID. So this is the link. When you copy the link, it will be copied to your clipboard. You can copy, paste and send the link through email. Okay, this is the QR code option. You can just download this QR code and send it to your participants. They can just scan this code and the survey or the form will open up. And this is an option to embed it in a website, and this option, when you click on it, your email opens up and this link will automatically be pasted in that email body. So these are the 4 options using which you can share this form, okay, apart from embedding it into PowerPoint. So let's go back to PowerPoint and see what happened here. Okay, so as you see, we have created the test PowerPoint Glamour on the Microsoft Forms website, and as a result you can see all the questions that the form has already been inserted here. Great, so let's see how does it look when you run the presentation. So for example, if you created this form and entered it here and you run the presentation, just click on the PowerPoint show mode. So if you can see in the full screen, you see the form here. So let's go ahead and answer this. What is the application used to make presentations? This is PowerPoint. What is the name of the organization? PowerPoint Glamour. Okay, and then let's go to the organization name. Let's type in PPG something, email address. Would be mail at PowerPoint, anything to test. So this is a not mandatory field, so you can leave it blank. If you see the mandatory field with a star, so the name was mandatory, so you can submit. So once the user clicks on submit, it says thanks, your response was submitted. So this is how you create a form, and this is how you insert it into PowerPoint, and this is how the user can actually submit the responses. So once the response is submitted, you go to Microsoft Forms. Now you see there is response received 1 showing here in this tab. So once you click on this tab, it will give you the results as well. So it will tell you which question, how many % of people responded with this option, and what are the different responses that you have. So this is a great tool of creating easy forms and sending it to different users. The other option also we have is open in Excel. Once you click on this open in Excel option, the entire results of this form or the survey gets downloaded into an Excel. So you can see the responses in an Excel format as well. That's a wonderful feature as well. So that's how you create a form. Now let's see how to create a quiz. Just click on new quiz, and again it should take you to the Microsoft Forms Office website, and then a new screen will open up for you to create a new quiz. So creating a new quiz is the same way as you create a form. So let's insert the PowerPoint Glamour quiz. Let's click on add new, the same things. Let's say, how do you rate the channel? Okay, reply symbol stars if it's required. Say required and say add new. Let's try and use as much options as possible for you to understand. Let's click on the date format question. What is the date today? So that's another question. So that's how you create a quiz. That's it. So let's go back and see if this quiz is created in the. Okay, let's go insert a blank slide, and if you can see, the PowerPoint Glamour quiz is created. Just click on insert. So the quiz is created here, and then it gets inserted into your slide. So that's the quiz which is inserted. Now click on the slideshow button. The PowerPoint Glamour quiz opens up. So let's answer it. Okay, and submit. So the responses have been submitted. Let's go back to the quiz website and you will see. So you have one response, the average time to complete, and what is the status. So you can review the answers, you can post the scores, and you can check out who responded with what. So that's it, guys. This is how you actually create forms. This is actually how you create quizzes in a Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave it in the comments, and please make sure you will like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.